Okay, so it normally doesn't rain, and it's rained for several days. So the ducks are still out, and it's super dark. They should be in bed. So I gotta walk them into the house because they were enjoying their pond. Go to bed. Go to bed, Rudy and Sebastian. It's time for sleep. Come on, you gotta go to bed. Go on. You can't stay out here in the dark. The raccoons will get you. Good ducks. Good ducks. Alright, go to bed. Go on. Good ducks. Everybody else sleeping? Got all your babies, Mama? You're good babies. Hi, Raven. Hi, Raven. Hi, Maxine. Don't do that. Hi, Maxine. You're such a sweet thing. You're such a sweet girl. Yeah. Good night, my loves. Roxanne, Debbie! You can't have babies! Hey! Excuse me. You got stuff on your face. We have too many chickens. You can't have babies. Do you not understand, Debbie? Debbie. No, you can't have babies. Good night, Blue. Good night, buddy.